So come Valentine's Day and you can color red all around you. Red roses, red hearts and of course flowers and hearts made of flowers. But when we asked supermodel Lakshmi Rana to give us some style tips to dress to impress, the lady suggested no red dress at all. So here are some tips which could help you as well.
Well, of course, Valentine's fever is on in the entire country, and I'm here in the capital, of course, spending Valentine's Day with the supermodel Lakshmi Rana. Thank you for speaking with NewsX.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.
We'd like to ask you first, of course, we've got this huge setup over here, beautiful flowers, red roses, all of that. How do you like it? Is this the perfect Valentine's Day? The way to spend Valentine's Day?
Absolutely. There are lots of hearts and there are lots of flowers and flowers of every color and mostly red. So I think it is an absolute beautiful way to spend Valentine's Day. And they are mostly the best brands that we can ever think of. Shop at the same time and swing at the same time and have a good time.
Absolutely, I know. And of course, since you're a supermodel, we've got to ask you questions. As they say, dress to impress. So Valentine's Day is a day about dressing up as well, impressing their loved one. So what would be some style tips you'd give for both girls and guys on Valentine's Day?
Well, in short, you can look at me. I'm wearing a silver shiny outfit, sequenced outfit, and
I would definitely approve of this outfit.
yes, and this is Namrata Joshipura's outfit, and this can actually go with red. I think silver goes beautifully with red. And one style tip that I'll definitely give the girls is not to wear red on Valentine's Day because it is too much. You get red things all the time: red roses, red hearts. So I think one should play with color and keep it young and pretty.
Well, we have to ask you, of course, what does Valentine's Day in a way mean to you? People ask this question a lot of times. Some say every day should be Valentine's Day. Some say it's a very special day. What are your views about Valentine's Day?
Well, I also feel that I think every day should be spent like a Valentine's Day because life is too short. And to allocate just one day for it is not enough. But on the other hand, I think Valentine's Day is a very special day to kind of, tell your loved ones what you feel about them, and you don't do that every day. So yes, this is one day where you can make each other feel special with flowers and with gifts, and it's a good day to celebrate. Why not?
What about love? Let's sit on the swing, of course, this beautiful swing, and talk about the beautiful concept of love. What would you say is love for Lakshmi Rana, or what does love mean to you?
Well, love means companionship. It means support. It means ability to help each other grow emotionally, mentally, in every which way. And love means everything to me, actually. That's my life.
Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.
That was Lakshmi, of course, telling us about this beautiful installation over here, of course, and some style tips this special Valentine's Day. With video journalist Jenna, Uday Pratap Singh in Delhi, NewsX.
Coming back to Vivek Oberoi and Neha Sharma's romantic film Jayanta Bhai Ki Love Story, which may be releasing a day after the Valentine's Day, but the stars made sure to cash in on the celebrations and promote their film in true Bollywood